Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last videos, we have covered multiple things related to the Power Query Editor, like how you can add columns to the Power Query Editor, change the ascending and descending order of the column, how you can merge the queries, how you can do the profiling of the columns, and multiple things we have covered. So now we'll cover what happens when you're finally done with the data, when you are happy that the data which you are looking right now, it's up to the mark and can be loaded safely into your Power BI. So right now, I think the data is absolutely fine and you can just do the apply into the Power BI. Okay. So on the left hand side, you can see on the top, there is a close and apply option. Have three options available, which is apply, close, or close and apply. It means you can apply the changes later on, or else you can apply the changes right now. You can close it later, or else you just want that the changes which you have recently made in your data, it should be applied to the Power Query editor, and then the editor should be closed automatically. So I will just use this option, close and apply. I think the data looks great. So I'll just simply click on close and apply. So this is how it looks in the back end, that once your data is finally edited. So this is how it looks. So right now I do not have any visuals added to my data. So that is why it just shows blank. However, on the left hand side, you can see that I have this table view wherein I could see all the tables I have. So you can see that I have this school rating table wherein I have this Debian column and then the school rating column. And then I have this scores table wherein I have average test time, category, Debian, grade. So there are multiple columns which I have. And the third one is model view. So in the model view, you can see that what are the columns or what are the data I have. So right now I have this school rating table wherein I have this and this school rating column. And of course, I also have this schools table wherein I have this multiple data of, or you can see columns I here. So you can see that there is one particular thing which is which is you can see that has one into it, and then there is an arrow, and then there is a star. So this basically shows you the relation. So if you remember, I actually defined the relationship between DBN, okay, from school rating to score, and then I used the school ratings. Okay, so if I select this, so it can give us the hint column is related to which, from which table it is related to which column. Okay, so you can see that DBN is related to the DBN scores. Okay, and of course, in here, if you want, you can add multiple data, maybe from an Excel workbook or SQL server, or you can enter the data manually. So right now, I do not have any SQL server, neither I do not have a data works. However, I can just simply add a data manually so that I can link that particular data into these tables here. So simply I just click on enter data. Okay. So that data will be very simple. Okay, let's see category. So I'll select this category. Okay, let's category. So in category, I have this male, then I have female. Okay, and the next column I want that category, it will be category capital. Okay, so it will be like this. If it is a male, then it should be with M, and if it is a female, it should be with F. And I can give the name to table name, which is table. And I'm absolutely fine with the data I have. I simply just click on load. So this particular table will be loaded back to my Power Query. And again, there are multiple things which can be done. So the category table is here. And then what I can do is, so you can see that, oh, category is basically showing up here as well. Okay. But right now there is no category capital aligned. And if I want to align the data back to the Power Query editor, so the question is how to go back into Power Query editor mode. So the answer is pretty much simple. When you click on this three dots, you have this option, edit query. So you can just simply click on edit query. Then basically it will load up the query into the query editor. Then you can also perform the query editor things like now. So like I just added this category column, and if you see that I have a column called category, and if I come back to my scores, I have this category option here as well, wherein it says male, female, and everything. Okay, there's no caps column here. You can see that there is no caps column here. So again, what I can do is I can just simply click on merge queries. Okay, we have already seen this how to merge and do everything. I simply select the column or select the table first. This category table, I grid table. So category table is here, and I'll select this category column, which is common in both the tables. I simply hit OK. So the column category caps will be added end of this particular table. And once it is added, I will show you how we can caps get the app letter, because previously if you have seen in the last video, it was showing like this only, because it has captured both of the columns, category and then category caps. So I just need this category capital, because male female is already there. I just need the capital letters. That's it. Okay, so I have done the merge query, and you can see on the applied steps, the category table or expanded or merge query is there already. So these are the steps which we have taken, and it's get uh, recorded as well. Okay, so now I'm fine with this. I can just simply close and apply once more. Okay, and now I can just see here the category is linked properly. So this is how you basically do the evaluation of your data, how you can copy or paste the data, or else that how the data looks like once you are done with the the managing of your data into this Power Query editor. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and definitely there are a lot of topics going to be added in this series. So please stay tuned to this Power BI or Power Platform series. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, then please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel as well. If you have any doubts, leave your doubts in the comment section, and I'm happy to answer them. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning and goodbye.